Well, folks, I'm taking Dixie out this evening on a track. I doubt we'll do this. It's pretty much 24 hours old, but the thing is, it rained 2 inches and 3/10 on this track about as soon as I laid it. So that would be pretty ridiculous, pretty crazy if she could even smell it at all. But hey, right? Training's all about pushing her limits, so let's see if she picks anything up whatsoever about 340 yards long. It will be very wild if she could even do anything with it. Let's see. Hey, Dixie, come here. Dixie, find the deer. Find it. Yeah, digging a mole or something. Find it. Smell anything? Huh? I don't know. So far, I don't think she's really smelling it. I mean, it's the way I went, but she's not really sniffing. We shall see. Yeah, she's just kind of looking around. I don't think she's picking up the scent. Like I said, that's what I expected. Well, find it. Yeah, that's the way she should have went. But yeah. Yeah, she's got nothing. I don't know, she's sniffing. And that is the way I went, but I don't know. No, that's not it. She would have to make a turn to the left here to be on it. Well, she's sniffing around, but that's it there. I don't know. She made 2 turns on it. Happy. Good girl, Dixie. Find it. You smelling it? Huh? Nope. Oh, she had to take a right turn back there. We'll see how far she goes, if she turns around or not. Oh, here she comes. Find it, girl. Can you find it? Good girl. Yeah. Oh. Well, she started in there. That was the trail. Well. Good girl. Find it. Man, she's got to be getting some of it. She wouldn't be coming through here just by coincidence. This is amazing. I can't believe this. Oh, goodness. Right turn. Yeah. Sure enough, that's it. She's on it. That's crazy enough. She is right on it now. Unbelievable. Oh, she needs to take a left turn out here. Oop. She didn't spot this, folks. I saw this when I was laying the trail. Look at this. Oop. A little warbler nest. A couple inches off the ground down there. I need to let her go. Oh, she's fussing at me. Oh, here goes Dixie. She's on the trail. Oh my. Here she goes. Good girl, Dixie. Find it. Find it. Well. That's amazing. She only came halfway. Unbelievable. Nope. Good girl, find it. Yeah, she needs to go in there to the right, where she had been going. Good girl. She was on it. This is unbelievable, folks. I'm telling you, 2.3 inches of rain immediately after I laid this track. It started raining. Whew. There it is. There it is. Good girl, Dixie. Find that thing. Dixie, oh my, good girl, Dixie. Dixie, what is it? Oh no, Dixie, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Dixie, what in the world did you find? That is unbelievable. 24 hours old. 2.3 inches of rain on that track. 340 yards. Dixie. That is insane. Good girl. Here. I need to help you out. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, goodness gracious. Unbelievable girl. Great job, Dixie.